she doesn't like to jump.
No,
It hurts her elbows or something. Makes her jiggle.
Like, go watch.
Okay, go ahead and lock her in the other one. Lock her in Ed's.
They switch?
Yeah, just lock her in there, see if she can get that one open. She's all like worried.
Well, to her credit, she's not as dumb as a vacuum.
No, where's she
Conniving.
smart?
She is going to take her to a shop one day.
It's Animal Farm.
She's going to be the ringleader.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Have you got your thumbs up?
She's sitting there. She's not ready to leave.
Shall I remove the food from the equation?
Yeah, put it on the floor.
Put it out on the windowsill so she can see it.
We're not really using torturous tactics to invoke.
Move the broom for her. We don't want her to get her belly caught on it.
You guys are terrible. Have you tried placing the cat?
If we did that, what would we have for entertainment right now?
She's mad now. She's going to come out.
Let's go on a diet.
Oh, she walked away from the food.